Hey, Matt here with 911 RM Range Trailer. We have the 74 Carrera. This is a really special car because it's a European Carrera, and the big thing about that is that they have MFI fuel injection, just like the 73 Carrera. The 73 Carrera was the RS, was the car that Porsche brought it kind of as a factory sport racer for the street. It was an upgrade from the 911S. And then they carried over to the first of the impact bumper cars in 1974 with the MFI. In 75, they went to CIS injection. So this car, being a European car with the MFI, makes it really special. The car was all rebuilt and redone in Germany. Manford did the engine and the fuel injection and stuff on it. I have lots of notes and pictures in the description about the work that was done on this car. But the car was originally black, painted in this beautiful light yellow many moons ago. And the car, like I said, has gone through a complete chassis down restoration. The car was fully stripped. Again, there's photos of all this in the gallery. Beautiful Fuchs wheels on it, the correct quality 6,000 tires, the factory sports seats. The one thing about on 74 Carreras, you can see this stippling in the seat leather. That's what they call pig skin. That was on all the 74 to 75 cars. And so that's really unique to still see the pig skin on the seats. The factory sport 3-spoke wheel. We've also gone through this car all mechanically and double checked and inspected everything. I feel very confident. I think this is one of the most up and coming air-cooled 911s there is out there, just because it's the uniqueness and that MFI engine again. Any questions, hit us up on the contact seller button. We'll be happy to help, and good luck. Thank you.